Good morning. Welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. My name is Joseph and I'm here with Dion, and today we're talking about Bitcoin. And we've been talking just before the show, and we were talking, is this really the beginning of the bull run, or are we expecting another drop in Bitcoin? So we're very cautious. There's also a big announcement coming out tomorrow. So Dion, tell us what's up with Bitcoin.
Thank you, Joseph. Morning, guys. So we'll start today just on the 1 day time frame. You can see that we're still overall very bearish. If we zoom in over the past few weeks, we've been following this daily trend line and trying to break through. And then eventually earlier this week, we did manage to break through. Let me just zoom in there. We managed to break through that zone on this candle here, and we then said that we were waiting to break that swing high, which also then happened yesterday. Why I'm hesitant a little is I was expecting this to come down just to retest this resistance, but looking at it that week of that daily candle there, it could be that this maybe is just find the target that they were coming for, and that week there was the retest of which is now support. It just changed that, which would now be a new support zone. So it could be that that's what we're looking at. We broke through that level, came back to retest it, and we're on our way up now. So this is on the daily. Zooming in just a bit on the 4 hour, you can see this is where we broke through, and we've had four fairly strongish candles, green candles, and now looking as if we're breaking into this zone that we expected, this liquidity zone, where we would be moving up. Let me go down to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we've been trading in this parallel channel for quite a while now. We haven't managed to break it yet, so that would be a good entry on the 1 hour is once we break up there. You see how we've come to retest, and we've now managed to break into that zone. So it's looking good. I don't know. I'm just not 100% convinced that we might not be coming down for a bit of a retest. On the 15 minutes, you'll also see that there was this triangle pattern which is broken out, and the target for that we normally get from around about the width of the height of the triangle. So that would be taking us to around about, the target would be around about 24,000. So you could still get into this trade. I would just watch the stochastic, and then just see when you have a good entry. My stochastic isn't working for some reason, so you could get into this, or just wait for a pullback to come and retest this line. It just feels a little bit too high now, so I'm just waiting for some kind of a pullback. You'll see also, if we look at a clean Bitcoin chart, why we a bit concerned. If you go to the 1 day, you'll see that we've had this massive pump, and normally that has to pull back somewhere. So if you look at this, the range that we should normally pull back to is around about the 0.65 mark. So it's looking great, but it's just looking too good. And we've been trading for a while now, and we know that normally it would just have some kind of luck. Yeah, you can see it pulled back, and there's no pullback here. So we just a bit hesitant, or just waiting for confirmation to see what happens today before we'll open another trade. But this is definitely the zone that we're targeting, and but yeah, just waiting for a pullback today, Joseph. That's it from me.
Tell me, Dion, do you think we can expect a $27,000 Bitcoin?
For sure, definitely. We're just waiting for the takeoff. So yeah, we just need a bit of a pullback just to be certain that everything, the market is healthy and that we're going back up. The big news, I think the biggest news is next week, Thursday. So we have quite a few days still to do a nice trade of a 5-10% trade. So we could just shoot up through this range that's above us now. There's no resistance really. So there's a little bit at 24 and then at 27. But so it looks clear up to there, and then we might get a big pullback. But for now, I'm just waiting for just a minor pullback now to enter, and then just trade up to at least 24 as a target, and then you can bring up your stop loss and then go for 27. If we then go down and your stop loss gets hit, at least it gets hit in profit.
What I like about this run is, there was a lot of momentum Monday morning. And I expect it's going to cool down over the weekend, and then we might have another pump on Monday morning. And I think that will be very, very positive for me. Okay, awesome. Dion, do you have any trades for us that we can look at for today?
No, the trades I'm all watching. I'm waiting for all of them. Just a bit of a pullback. They're all like just in between a trade or not a trade. So not today.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna later today do another video for us, but I really think there's a trading opportunity in Cardano and also in Render. So probably in an hour or so we'll release the next video, and I'm gonna show to you why I think right now there is a trade opportunity in both Cardano and Render. Alright, awesome guys, that's all from us for today. We trade the charts. The market has to give us a trade, else we can't enter. And so, one of the secrets of trading is to be patient. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and we'll see you in an hour. Have a good day.
See you later.